What if you could make 50 clip art images while sipping your tea? Let me show you how to bulk create stunning clip art in Artistly the easy way. Welcome to Granny Knows AI. I'm Fiona, your friendly guide to all things AI and digital design. I help seniors and beginners discover the joy of creating with AI no stress, just step-by-step creativity. Join my digital design community to start learning, creating, and having fun with AI. The link is in the description box below.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Granny Knows AI. This is Fiona, and today I wanted to talk about creating your clip art in bulk in using Artistly rather than creating one at a time. So they do have this feature that I wanted to show you. I'm going to go back to my dashboard. By the way, there is a link below to Artistly. It's my affiliate link. If you would like to purchase Artistly, it is a complete AI suite. It has so many different features. But it is a one-time payment. There are no monthly fees, and that is why I choose to use Artistly mostly in my designs. So yeah, there's a link to that below. Anyway, so we're going to go into Create Design. I'm going into the Fast AI Image Designer. And then I'm coming up here into AI Design Agents. So they have one here, you notice, which says clip art. Now this isn't the only way to do your clip art in Artistly, but if you want to do them in bulk, you can use this one. Now I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and I have used my GPT Junk Journal Kit Creator, and I do have a video explaining how to use this particular GPT that I created. So when it's given me my clip arts, it's given me 20 different clip arts. I'm doing a new Junk Journal kit, so these are going to be fussy cuts. And they're also going to be used, to create other things. So it's given them to me 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's numbered them. So what I did was I asked, can you give me the first 10 prompts, no title, just the prompts on separate lines, so I can copy and paste into Artistly, and then the second 10. And the reason I've done that is because you can only do 10 at a time, and you just want them all on separate lines like this. So I'm going to copy and paste all of these ones. Now I think they're going to work with a line in between them. So then you want to put that you want 10 images. And I like to just do them a 1-to-1 ratio with my clip art. And then I'm just going to go generate clip art. And we should get 10 different clip arts. And obviously the problem with doing it this way is that you're not always going to like the result. So there might be a particular one where you don't like the result. So then you can just go in individually and paste that one prompt in again, so that you can get a better result. So I'm just waiting for this to process. Let's see, we've got the toy soldier, chandelier, the curtains, a mirror, a ballerina shoes, a bow, playbill. I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to have to look at the prompt, and it looks like a rolled up musical papers. Now these are all This is a Nutcracker ballet theme that I was doing for a new Christmas kit. So it's all sort of, yeah, Nutcracker ballet type of ephemera and papers, and now the clip art. So I'm actually quite happy with all of these. Let's just have a look at this one. A watercolour antique playbill with a faint stage illustration, framed by a gold border and rendered in cream and sapphire tones. I'm not really sure what a playbill is. Let me just copy this. Copy, see if I get the same thing if I do it again. But this time I'll just do the one image. Okay, so I think that one's better because it doesn't have the writing on it. Actors in old-fashioned costumes. Okay, that looks fine to me, like something I could use. And all of these are, I would think they're pretty good quality as well. So let's go back in and we'll do the second 10. We want 10 images, generate clip art. Now in my GPT, Junk Journal Kit Creator, if you're a member of my digital design club on Ko-fi, you get to use this GPT for free. Otherwise you can purchase it separately. And all of my links are below my videos. So you can see in the GPT, as well as brainstorming, you know, different junk journal kits and pages and ephemera and so forth, you can go in and ask it for more. You can ask it to expand the prompts, which is what I asked it to do for my papers, or, you know, to enhance the prompts, make them longer. You can specify how many pages you want, and it's going to give you all of your prompts for your AI. So you're not only limited to what it actually gives you, you can ask for more and play around a little bit with it. And let's have a look at what we've got here. So we should have 10 more. Rocking horse, a nice filigree there, star, a sunflower, candle, violin, wreath. Yep, these are all good. It's fantastic. Okay, so what I would do now is I would bulk download them. First of all, and that's just to make sure that I have got a copy of all of them on my computer. I don't really want that playbill, so just go in here. I'm going to download selected, download a zip. And I'm going to name that CLIPART. Okay, so now I have a copy of them. Now, Artistly, you can also upscale, and you can remove the background, and you can convert to 300 DPI for your clip art, because if you sell it using it, you want it to be high quality, but also if you're selling it as a clip art pack, you want it to be high quality. So the way I do this is I go into AI bulk actions, create new action. You can upload your images, or you can choose from your library. So I'm going to select all of the clip art that I just created, hoping that 20 isn't too many. Okay, so then you're going to go add a step, and I'm going to put remove background. I'm going to add another step, and I'm going to go convert to 300 DPI, or you could go upscale image. Actually, I'm going to go upscale image. So we don't want to improve the human face. We just click only upscale, and then once you're done, you click build action, and it should remove the background and upscale all 20 of those. You've got to put in a title. It doesn't really matter what you type in here, because it's only for your reference. Processing, here we go. So we have remove background and upscaled image. So if I look at the quality, perhaps compare this one, see the quality there, and then I'll compare it to the upscaled one, and I can see that's a lot clearer. I'm not sure if you can see that on your computer, but it is a lot clearer, and the background is removed also, and when you download them you can test that out. So I'm going to download these again. These will be my final clip art bundle, and I can actually delete the other ones. Um, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Oops. So you can see the backgrounds are removed, because here they're on a white background, and here they're all on a transparent background. So I'm going to download them all. Download as zip. And my computer's being a little bit slow. Okay, let's try again. It looks like it might take a little while today. But yeah, that's actually all that I wanted to show you today, was how you can create your clip art in a bulk. And yeah, so I'll just go ahead and download these and they'll be ready for me to use. Okay, so thanks guys very much for watching, and I'll have a new video coming out very soon. And all of my links, anything that you want to know about, are in the description box below the video. Okay, so I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.